Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to install Adobe Reader on the computers through Microsoft Intune. So Microsoft Intune has introduced the autopilot. Autopilot means, if you, for example, if you buy a computer from Dell or HP, you open the box and then you log in to the computer, and then your profile is set up automatically, and also the applications are pushing to your computer automatically. This will include the Office applications and other applications like Adobe Reader, Google Chrome, or Firefox. So I have already used the autopilot to set up the computer through through Intune. Now I want to install Adobe Reader to the computer through the Intune. So if user connects to the internet through from the other remote office, he will get the application installed automatically. So let's see how can we do this. First thing we need to do is to go to the Adobe Reader, download website, which is go.adobe.com /UK/reader/enterprise. So we go to this website and then select the operating system. Because I'm using the Windows 11, I select Windows 11. I select all languages, and then I select the region. There's the two regions. One is 64-bit, the other one is 32-bit. So I just select 64-bit and then click download. So it will download this, exe file. Then I just click save. While this downloading is happening, we need to download the other application, which is Intune Prepare Tool. We just go to google.com, input Intune Prepare PREP space tool, and then we find this website. This one is this one, the second one. If you open this one, we just open this one now, and then we move down. This is we just click this one to open the other one to download the application. I already opened this one now. So from here, I go to this one to open, and then there's the zip file. We want to download the zip file. I just downloaded from this website to my downloads folder. So this is the one. This is the one I downloaded. If I open this one, just open this. I needed this application Intune WinApp util.exe. I need to copy this one to the other folder. So after I downloaded the Adobe Reader offline installation file, this is uploading, downloading, nearly done. So this one I downloaded. This one I downloaded the Intune prepare tool, and then I go to the F drive. In the F drive, I create a Intune folder. Create an Intune folder, and then I create an input folder and output folder. In the input folder, I just copy the Adobe offline installation file to this folder, and then I rename it to setup.exe. So this is the file from the download folder to here. I just rename it to setup.exe. And also for the other Intune prepare tool, I just copy this exe file to this folder, to the Intune folder. So and this output folder is empty. I needed to generate this file. I already done this before. So before that is empty. So after I do all this, I needed to run the command. I go to the command prompt. In the command prompt, when I run this Intune WinApp UTI.exe, I get this pop-up. Please specify the source folder. I put the F column slash into slash input folder, and the setup file is the file F slash into slash input slash setup.exe, which is the one I renamed from the Adobe installation exe file. And then the specify the output folder is the output folder. After I do this, it will generate this file. This is the one after I run this application. I can just rename it. So if I do this again, I don't need the catalog folder. Just click in. So it's now trying to generate this, Intune Win file. So you see this one is generate this one. I just generate again. Setup.intune win file. This is the file we need to, deploy from the Intune in the portal. So let's go to the Intune management portal. If I go to the intune.microsoft.com, I click apps. In the apps, we go to Windows because we need to push the Windows app. I have already, install deploy this application for Intune Acrobat Reader. So let's see how can I do this. If I click add and then I click Windows app, then select a package file. Select package file, we need to select this, I just cancel this one for now. Before we deploy the application, we need to do something else. We need to find out the product ID for the Adobe Reader. So how can we find this one? I installed the Adobe Reader from on my own computer. This is the computer I work on. I just want to find out this product ID. What I did is I just after installation of the Adobe Reader. So if I show you, I go to the control panel, program. Okay. So if I go to program features, we see the Adobe Reader already installed now. After I install this application on my computer, I need to run the command, PowerShell command. I just run this PowerShell command. This PowerShell command is this one: get-wmiobject space 132 underscore product. Then more, format table. After run this one, I get all this applications and the product ID. I just select all, and then, from the top, I copy. This is just, I ran it before. I just select this one, click edit and then copy. And then I paste it here in the notebook, and then I find the Adobe Reader. You see this Adobe Reader application, and this is the one I want. This is the product ID. I need to copy this product ID. This is the product ID for Adobe Reader. This region I download from the internet. So the other one is I need to find out the Adobe Reader installation command options. Like if you run the command, what option you can use. So I just run this. Uh, go there. I run as administrator, and then I go to this one. Okay. This setup .exe is the original file. Is the is this file I download. I download this file and then copy to the setup dot Intune, the input folder under the Intune, and then I rename it to setup. So it's the same file. So I just rename it. So if I run this command slash question mark, I want to see what's the option for the command. You see, there's a few options we can use. Slash s or is silent mode for product. This is what we want. We want a silent installation, and we want to reboot the press is I slash rs, and we want a slash msi command line prepare for msi usdc. So this is the three options we want to use. So I just did this before. So if I go there, properties, you see this one. I ran this. I put this command before. Yeah, so this is the application ID I get from the PowerShell command I put here, and this is the install command is setup.exe slash so rs slash rs means we don't want to reboot the computer, and this is the msi command slash accept uh, license. So this is the one. So if we now I get this all this information, if I just go to the apps. So this one. So we just click add, and then we click Windows 10 or later. Click Windows app, Win32, and then click select, and then select app page file, and then select this file I just generated before. I go to the F drive, Intune, output. I select this file generated before. Click open, click OK, and then that's the file name, in the package is setup.exe, and then the publisher is Adobe, and this region we don't want to put in. So if I click the select image, we can put the Adobe image, right? Just click this Adobe image. We can download from the internet. Click one, and then let's see. So I just put the Adobe installation, click OK, and then just click next. So just the installation command. The installation command is the one I just screenshot before. So it's this one. And also this installation command. This is the this is the product ID I get it before. I just do from here. This is the one. So I put the installation command and uninstall command in, and then this others will be as before. We don't even want to change this one. Next. Now active operation system, we just select the 32 64-bit because we're down to 64-bit, and then minimum operating system, we select the Windows 10, the one, and now click next. Now the detection rules, we select the menu, and then we click add button, we select the MSI, and then we put the the production code which we get before. Just click OK, and then next dependence, where there's no dependence, and then we click still precedence. There's no still precedence for this application. Next, assignment. Assignments we click we want to install on the for the security group. We can add a security group, and then we search for Windows autopilot devices because this device is in the autopilot group. Select this one. The next, and overview, and create. I don't want to create it because I already done this. Just you cancel. So this is the one I created before yesterday for the Adobe Reader. So if I just open this one, go to properties, you see this Adobe Reader and the installation command, and also install command, and also the required for this Windows Autopilot device group detection, unit for the MSI for this production ID, which we found from my computer, so it's same ID. So after I push this one, if I go to the devices, so I find my Windows, go to Windows. This is my computer. This is a virtual machine from the Hyper-V. I just open this one. First thing we want to check this one is in the, if I go to group membership, we see this computer is in Windows Autopilot device group. So just, we want to push to this computer. So if I go to the manage apps, we see this one, setup.exe is installed. So this is the Adobe Reader installation. So normally we may want to do this. If I go to the Windows apps, properties, we want to add. So it's for Adobe Reader installation. Okay. So this is the one Adobe Reader installation. So we can see it's installed. If I go there, go to the device install status, it shows this one is installed successfully. Also, if I go to the computer itself, this is the one I installed. So first thing, so you'll see this is the computer name, CCQ 2020-02167. So if I go to the control panel, program feature, we see Adobe Reader is installed successfully. This was done yesterday. And also I installed the Office 365 and Firefox. This for the autopilot. Today I just show you how to install the Adobe Reader. And the other one I want to show you is because when the user opens by default, if user install Adobe Reader, they will sometimes will pop up to ask you to promote to the Adobe Acrobat Pro because there's more features in there for the Adobe Acrobat Pro, but we need to pay for it because you need a license. So in order to, block user from upgrading the Adobe Reader to Adobe Acrobat Pro, we need to do something. Just show you something. If I go to the application file, we need to go there. We need to go to the local, go to registry, go to the local computer and then software, then www.6432 note, then policies, Adobe Acrobat Reader, and then DC feature lockdown, and then put this dword value to 1. So this one will prevent the user from, upgrading the Adobe Reader to, Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's show you what I did. So if I go to the registry, go to local machine and then software, then go to www.6432 node, then go to software, policies, Adobe Reader, DC, and then this feature lockdown. In the feature lockdown, I create this value, you see, bAcroSuppressUpsell. So we set this one to 1 to, to prevent the user from upgrading the Adobe Reader to Adobe Acrobat Pro. That's all I show you today. Thank you.